they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Broso with Maya. Me person me come any months so Jamaica.
Cecilia, you go okay, Papa. Hey, my family prayer. P for prayer. Oh, you are S for sick. S for sorry, what it?
I'm suffering.
You are suffering.
You're in pain.
You are in pain. Everything is going to be alright. Huh? Sorry for everything. Precious, you are now, your ears is hard. Your ears is too hard. That's one thing. Huh? I've told you plenty number of times. Say that don't be with that boy. That boy can kill you. Huh? Sure, who you was that boy no? Oh, and can buy na. Yeah. Send go away free gas. Huh? Precious, abu bia didi ko baby na so bedu no. Ah, pre. Obi ama mi do apesku se besua de. Wo ma me te wo. O ma me te se wa yare abeda hospital na broken heart ntia. Pre wo. As school ne ye ma ojai. Enye fe. Just focus on the learning. Education is the key. That is why you are in the school. Who did Scanty we here? Oh no for Japadi oh. Inti ono school na nye kura ska wo fi kakra. From then enye one broken heart. Na le wodu zi ni mo. Wodu zi minim. Broken heart na ya osa. Woda ho nyina wakoma ma chemi. Ma na be pam. Prayer one shot. Nenye broken heart na de pressure ba. Ye kasa so anu o de atoa, ye ka ye de toa na de atoa. Sisi woni na ya white. Black ni na black na kete bi na so. Hwele wa ya oda ho. Sisi anu na ni ya be o so tiat. I buy you a fruit, the drink, the fruit teddy. It is on the top. When you wake up, then you drink.
I don't think I can drink fruit unless you ask the nurse whether I can drink fruit.
Okay, so when the nurse comes, then you do everything. But me, I'm telling you that be careful of that Scanty. Be very, very, very careful because look at what that boy has put you in the trouble. That means that boy can kill you. So if you come again alive, don't do that relationship with Scanty again. Should I call the nurse? Because it's like your pressure is going higher. It's okay.
Yeah, me I mean the party they come my way. Oh yeah.
Boys need them. My catch us down on. Men go home. Me nim say say no mo tie. Me nim say mo ye normal niggas o mo tie. From Friday man catch us say ho na tubo mo. Uko no mo kwaje ofun me ntimi ye bibi fa ho. Oh no mo tie. Oh no mo. Sorry, Alpha. Yo, Adio, your side. Yo, assignment in Alpha. Oh my yo. Yeah, sure. Finish everything bro. Me ba be ji why. Mate. Ba bro ni bibi. Work na me no say wo ma me do down. Enso anka obi na kwaya ade ma anka wabo ka crash no. Ehia wa be katwi. Be wa. Oh, I dey talk you that enye say ehia me ti na me katwi o. Be chere say boy e apɛ kakra ma me. Enti wo chere. Bitimi gina wo work ho saa. Me ma ye me de awie no. Scanty, me ma ye me de awie na masa ye wo de ama wo. Na wo comedy wa. Ma je ma me hwe. Comedy wa why na abebusa diska. So na making. Comedy wa me mitimi sorto na ye ma de ma me ya wo say be charge me ana. Dabi. Won say my homework assignment my yes o ma me say intim jiwe 30 bi kra for assignment in. Na obeda abonti ana. O David, me da abonti. Ani ehunu de o ye, why? Me ba beji, why? Oh, so person da abonti ya me ba jimiska. Why? Mike, the American na na wati. And I hear punch. Oh, now the way me there ebufu aba na. We hear punch or side na. Ebufu aba. Oh, me yaro no wa me no show inside. Ya de ma me why ade na wi abaji miska. Ito why so wuntia. Me feel you menya sa. Nyansa na de asa mo mpese mo betua ho ka. Banka ye bibi dia anka obetua. Nyansa. O kan kosi se. Den kan kosi hwe wo de. Da bi u kan kosi se. Wo de me de bebro. Me ba abaji. Why? Aso kasa wo de menso. Wo de bibi ani ahwa. Martin. Wala. Scanty, the DNA of the share.
So what say na my boy? What are the assignment? One cause someone to me assignment into my courage na no more can me to anya san can say assignment no yes.
Forget it down when I'm seeing Kobe. So I down one year could you be and find show team some my jail. Just na make a journal. Men find show team some my jail until your barber job for
your restaurant sa come boy. Said the old on sa come boy Scanty. Scanty where are you na? Ha? Eya wonim nyansa nwene hu se obi ba na se bi woni nete. Hwe besin ko ayiwo hospital wo. Precious na da ho a sese yesi ni moja nyina re. Precious ampa o han nani a black ne kura wo hu. Nani so nyina e fita. Ni ntini kura yesi ye hu. Ni moja nyina re. Da ni nyina ye wo. Ni nyina ye wo na wo mimlemi. Mimlemi we tire. Eye tire na akofo we nyina ba wo sori ama kwase ampanyi ni we kika nsem gu aso ha wa ma wi ni we kika nsem gu aso wo kwahye ba ya na wo dwe ze de ai wo kwahye ba no kika kwase asem tro no politu adwene ai na wo fele se obedwana ha wo dwene ya wo fele se obedwene
Wasem pan is then how
kupe ni dupe no wo ni bi use your sense use kupe and dupe use it Javier Iniesta no ma 6 and 8 use adwene ha Kuma kobe politu sade. Ko again the why out dawo. Scanty.
I make us in the show. So what's wrong? Eyi mi so ti.
Ana me chesa o anu kra de wi na wakohye ye shikasa. Fine na why na kasa bebe. Jine ma boy we nwene ma.
Adare me jino maka jo so dwene ma.
Onna dwene ma
wo problem ne say.
Onna dwene ma ko nwene ma wan ka be dwene Precious won say baby are precious
unu anu no unu aba ne precious
enye mi nua ba no
odi ane precious
asia precious
ade na do obi asama ya wasem sa odi ane precious
wabusa o
na me girl na so yare da me krampo me beka sa
na say na me so na nya precious enye mi aka be nya precious o podan papa o ma school mu na me ne precious na etise wate o ma school mu na me ne precious ye ni mu ho dada na friends dada na say ya o ba school mu a wo be hu precious ama na te ase man me precious kran ka bibi anka me kran na ka wo se be date no
Adams bro kasama
apodan papa wate okay bibi anka precious ka wo se me kran na ka me date no ka e be ma ka wo se precious no tena
Adams sim ne say
asem ne anka ntia asem ne anka e be ma ka wo se wo tete precious apodan papa be se kwan no hospital ho what hey Neja kwase we odi na chi no we omo wo
Adams
boy we omo wo
yanko
ebe ya say boy we na etene na onim say boy we na ese wo
di echi why amba be tu funu di echi
na ba be tu funu
di anam su di echi ose na o kasa me yakra ma
ba be tu funu na esi
yes ya
sa wo style na wo bam sa na wo to saro enu kra de atwam kra
me hu bi
bia ana me chese sa style no kra atwam
me hu bi
utimi teme we wallahi
utimi teme
I no bodam utimi teme we bia mo school ma o
u di echi Omba be powerful.
They say ka mistake am say bodua. We na me timi mo ame bodua. Sia. Ti passe wate. Ti tafa setafo. Obodam. Me kura de kura na me kura me kuma ge ise. Obi ti ba bi kura be ka say ade na built in kura ade na all place a. Na ka say me kura fa me ho kura be. Dabi Precious said the missy dog again no. And they said the miss me again no. Me nim ade e be si a. E be tuma ade free sa again no. Sa again no me nya nwuram bi e be hye papa. E kwan bi a me kofu poku. Me fa so me wura ga ewe mu bibia me fa so. Abodam na wo nya chance ade ga ni jimi. Stop it.
Yeah, me pen kwara me nyo the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we me.
Time ko yanya na hu de
Dabi o. Enyumre na eku.
Ya enyumre na ni wo mu hwede abo. Abo 5 enyumre na ni enyumre be bio.
Me do ya me menko. Won ni pe ka se yo ajinje ndam so nya bi no de no. Otu kan na ma sore na makwa koja na me nchiche me ho ansa.
Cry ni pa ben.
Hwe. O ka se me mefo na na abeka o kan ya na me di wachi ana.
Bia no pa me no wadi nkomo. O si enyumre abo 5. And when Tina, you could direct, yeah. Young consul and also Daniels and Buffalo. Oh,
Nearby force.
meaning send your force by Siciana at Tianum near heading.
Again, I will see a question again. Mean, machine.
Minim, minim.
And two weeks I know also not to boss a man and you saw pressure and call. Sure. What's up? You trade your power.
See a time on so quiet. When you may press out, time never quite you're quite a bit in a bantam. As I say, you pee near Boscoman and you're near a call to me and for an alcohol. Me and you men and person who time grow because above 5. You say, many time about 6 on your call. A bosses on your inquiry. Ah, who present me the manana? We are demon too much. Or time ben corner the time girl. 5 are both a bosses. And again, me no clear me pessimism who know. Me pessimism who know. When I force me, I'm a cool. I mean, make out to do on a man my 2 minutes. 2 minutes, Negro seeing in a floor. We need now check between them some quajow. Sure. To yam me sky some must see a cut 20. 20 who is cows as a constitution bar. A boy, 20 near the fuck out, Rebecca say. Rebecca 10, I never turn off a car, Sabamboa. I don't cast a who use it. I echo. Now, when you see me, this kind of one, I was one. Chibomo. Yanko, what's the yes, you see how. Yanko room or Eka Cranium. You quit the room of Mocofadi. Mocofadi and Timocofadiana. Ah! Would you cast the open and Mayana? You can't afford the answer in your quality. Because we run inside the Union P. Where's our that one? Why young Conamocofadi, Uncle? Won't you mention them in your alpha? Huh? Young Conamocofadi.
Yeah, me pek when I mean the party they come my way. Oh yeah, me I'm in Broso with me yeah. Me person.
I won't in a masha conwaya. Mabesi when me. Yeah, when the how you good one?
Why didn't you need my help in anything?
Not in anything, but I need your help. Some small help. As a boss, school master, who comport on pekasa. As a we din sister. The way an FPA because school for no the on ball man. One way you can be a cassette. Oh, and also the nefe. I like your attitude, your beautiness, your composure, and your disposal. You are very, very, very nice. You are very admirable. You are very, very nice. Anyways, it's most all about papa to for power.
Just trying to be careful.
Just trying to be careful. Kuma they also you're careful. Also you're careful because kuma they on money. And to say me, no nyam ho asem kura na. Aka, say me comport him. I'm just me, sister.
Why not when now Becca on you?
Oh, and dear, and dear. Now I can I'm seeing a free Ghana Hana.
I'm here.
You are born in Ghana?
Yes, please.
So you are a Ghanaian?
Yes, totally, 100%.
Hey, sister, I was a Ghana ni crowd.
Hey.
What's a Mexico ni? Obi I can't tell that.
Na precious also there.
Precious bay. Oh, on this webcam one day, Jana said one day so. Sister, how color? Oba school for cry now we are quite changing, but we are no. We are not one of some color shakaka, but all the same, eh? What's some rough no? Or more I don't mucha kunkumbaga, lee, plagana one. Who say bipa? I'll be a gancho. Wow, you're very, very, very nice. You're very nice. By the way, a bit me I friends.
Friends.
Oh, just like close friends, like here be a bit me about me, champion here be I can come to you.
How do you be trusted? Because friends of today, how are central
trust in it. The only we are today and shut down independent, but I can assure you that I'll keep everything secret for you.
100%.
100.
Hey.
Trust me. 100%, sweetheart. Yeah, me some who school my thing. School my own name was someone come. Who the school man kubusa? Hey, Uncle School Master mistake. Kofi no kubusa.
So you don't really believe in yourself.
And then it's about school man for not only a Babylon kakra. Ti kofi kubusa. Me unyam ho asem kra no aka. Nti me de me ho dopa. Why? Yeah. Now okra din the same. Efia. How me kind? Why Friday bon? Me kind. Friday for ni awon fe.
Hey.
Friday bonds, sister, more
friends.
Friday bonds.
We are friends, okay.
You are very, very nice. As a moon pemo, as a moon chamo, mood penipa, and a yamis was shamo.
Is it because that you want me as your friend?
No. I really admire Friday bonds. Friday bond beer one fe. Friday bond beer. Me, I'm coffee.
Hey.
Yes. I won't lie, I'm coffee.
Opoku.
Yeah. I'm coffee, I won't lie. FOKI. I'm coffee.
Huh? F-O. You can't even spell it.
I was just yeah. Don't go. Come. Let me ask you some small questions. Your voice is really, really nice. Are you a singer?
No.
You are not a singer.
No.
Your voice is really, really nice.
I've been eating banana currently, that's why.
What is that thing, pa? If you not coming from rich, you'll be mad. Oh, petty bay.
Baby,
Except your voice, see that thing, and the one felt Tatiana.
Hey!
So, what happened?
Are you okay now? Kela, what's that here? So now, what's that? Wow, how are you nurse? Ah, the blue. What are you eating? So, what did the doctor say? I tell long but not. Huh? Yeah, but I'm fashion. I'm about to say, who's the doctor? Kai. We can say 100 million to see a bit me. The audio who could only be. Who's a cook be said the doctor? Kai. Oh, yeah, what a shana and uncle. So, some may be said, Bissan, or name whom the womb, see a piece is no be business, or more coin, then an air pressure, sir. Then I become. Who say then I become? We should be out. So, what?
Why did you bring him?
Why
didn't you come alone?
Baby, I done a baby me out. In your study, baby, I done Mike. Money, you say, who tell me about when you want coming out? You need to know about it. Who tell me about? Can you calm down? But have you been giving some medications so far? Are you feeling much better than before? Are you sure? A little bit. But not working. You're finding it hard to breathe. Have you complained that to the doctor? Yes, she and I'm more casa. Yes, she and I'm more casa. When you're young for so. Huh? Calm down. I'm almost when you know, I'm your man, I want to change the air hard. So I'm going to do it. Have you complained that to the doctor that you can't breathe? At least they should have been giving you some oxygen or something like that.
Yeah.
Really? Then we're going to be fine, okay? Calm down. So who brought you here? Kela, questions in the door soon. Nipa no da no ne hu nyanto no. Tu fili abesen ne also ne enko e baby. Mike, I can't come over where you're rich. Questions now, we say, where doctor? Huh? Yes, you are doctor. Where doctor? Opoku too much. Me girl name in an hour for me. Me girl name more yard that who say. When you fast on roshing on top. What pays you back? Me tia what I guys can cry near the background here before me after do. I also prepare up what on. So go down and carry the photo. Stop on my photo. You never fuck up. Share. That's that was are you sure it's fine? It's fine, Anna. But come on, actually, you know. Calm down, okay.
So you spend the night here?
Yeah. I wish that maybe the doctors will not allow us. I could have spent the night with Mike here. Believe me. I'm not crying, coming now. If you allow me, why not? I'll spend the night with you. Sorry. Do you need some water? Do you need some water? Sorry. Oh, yeah. Don't talk too much. Oh, yeah, I heard that. Calm down, don't talk too much, okay? And don't give Mike that much attention, otherwise. Well, I'm who said, Mo se musiki esa o school man ma shoda ya. Re say be be jiska o school man abrem no bo a.
Mai, kuna ko jiska o tuya bi.
Masa you see Jesus can am tuya o. Anu ti na ho wan ya be da won dia. Catch ro.
So have they bring your lab results? So you still don't know what's
your question now, sir. On sama ni on sama so time na ma de be dura na see be fi na pawon.
I can't say him say crank one ba. What kasasa?
I man try say ma me bomb one side na see me meja wana. Be ma sorry na yen ko ma ni say e kwa around.
I want you to spend the night. I want you to sit by me.
Are you sure the doctors are going to allow that?
Sorry, Uncle. Sorry.
I want to spend the night here.
Sure.
Like there and there's just a meeting.
Sorry, Uncle. Sorry.
May they January. No, I can't leave you.
Sure. John the Baptist. Sorry, Uncle. Now you're John too much. Sorry, Uncle.
Stop hitting him.
If I hear you, you need to cry. Better than one.
Maybe what's you? We be far from now about. Johnny Jimmy.
You go say walk.
Friend is gone.
It's gone. You're going to work.
Oh, you called me? Yeah. Delivery, how are you related to them? No. She's one of our students. Oh, okay. Because after assessment and everything, we did some lab tests. We realized that her blood level is very low. She's having severe anemia. Yes, her blood level is very low. And when we checked under normal circumstances, supposed to be within 12 to 15. But her own, we checked, it was around 4. Hey, it's so bad. And with her situation, I tell you, if you don't do anything immediately, I mean, it will be a problem for her. So,
so what can we do now?
So right now, she needs to be given transfused with blood, hemotransfused, at least 3 units of blood. Yes, immediately. Yes. But the only reason is currently our blood bank, we are out of blood now. We are out of stock. Of blood now. So I don't know whether maybe you could talk with some of the relatives so that they can donate, some of the blood for her.
Oh, you know something? This incident is happening. In fact, we haven't informed parents. So right now, I suggest if we can discuss it with some of the students and see maybe one of them blood will match.
Yes, okay. That's not a bad idea. Maybe you can talk to some of the students, maybe they can come, we do some cross checkup on their blood and
anyway, look, how much is one blood?
Oh, since we currently don't have some here, you can make the arrangements, but I think there are other options. Maybe we can make arrangement with Confirmatica to see for their blood bank if you can get at least some of the units for her of the blood so that I can give it to them immediately.
My suggestion to you. It's a yen to me, group, no.
I know where you are coming from, but you know, with her situation in the blood level, even blood tonic wouldn't help. Maternity wouldn't help. She needs to be transfused with blood. It's very important. It's very important because currently you are the immediate relative, even though you are the school nurse, right?
Yeah.
But you are the immediate relative now. So we have to attend her immediately. So I don't know whether you can speak with some of her colleagues, maybe their blood might match her own, then, or if not possible, you make arrangements.
Okay, no. I hear you. Right now I have to inform the headmaster and some of the teachers so that we can discuss and see what we can do.
Right. But it has to be in a quick manner.
I'll do as soon as possible.
No problem.
Hey, where are you, though? It's like your woman, no motive, so sad. The between no money say, we are only snagging Pankaya. No, the how bring me pass, the how bring me pa. We now, who can yes, we. Miss Bro, Mammy Bray.
Omba utum for munti. Utum for munti. Omo babu brother. What else no 20 years ni. Oh, okay. What else we oh any afraid. So I kokotako wo mushishisho. On gonna be a dance. To my one panebo ni.
Yeah, me penkwana me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with Maya. Me person me come any months with Jamaica. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me.
Yesterday I came to your place, you were not around. Where did you go?
What time?
Around this time.
Around this time, I was at the hostel.
I came there, you were not around.
Around this time. Yeah. I went with Mike J to visit Precious at the hospital.
As what? As what?
As a brother, as an ex, and as a schoolmate. Why?
If I go and visit my ex, are you going to be happy with it?
And listen, what's wrong with this?
I asked the question. Are you going to be happy with it?
I'm confused. Why? What's wrong with this?
Why should you go and visit your ex at the first place?
If not her being my ex, she's even my classmate.
So what?
So what stops me from
Adam,
visiting
so
her?
what? Why should you go and visit Precious? Why?
And listen, you are overdoing things, oh.
It is over between you and her. So why should you go to her? I don't care whether she is sick or I don't care.
This is a matter of life and death. She was your friend, or she's even still your friend. No matter what, she's even
not my
still
friend.
Okay, she was your friend. So you are even supposed to be there by this time.
Don't you have a phone? Don't you have a phone? Don't you have a phone? So why didn't you call her?
Listen, how can I call a sick patient?
Why didn't you call her? You could have called her, right? You could have called her to check up on her. So why did you go there?
And listen, you are overdoing things too much. Like, you are stressing me.
I don't like what you are doing. I hate it.
Man, listen, there's no any.
She's your ex. She is your ex. You can't be friends with your ex. That's the rule.
Listen, I'm sorry.
Sister, I'll call her. It's not here. Precious.
I'm sorry.
Didn't you do that?
I did.
Precious like a chance. I did.
But I can't lie. I did.
I'll trying to tell you precious. What are you saying? Oh yes, sir. Why do you do that?
I said I'm sorry. It won't happen again. Huh? Come on.
Will you go there again?
Never.
Are you sure?
I won't.
If you go there again, what I'm going to do to you?
I said I won't go there again, Anderson.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I will not. I give you my word. I will not.
If I hear or if I see Adams, you're going to regret it.
Anderson, I'm sorry. I'll not go there again. Please forgive me.
Where are you coming from?
I was at the canteen.
Are you sure?
Yeah. And how are you going?
I was going to look for you, but I'm going to get something at the shop.
Where?
Around SRC. Don't do that again.
I said I'm sorry. Calm down. Huh?
Yeah, me penkwana me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with me.
The black. Okay. Some yabu. Yes. You are going to your precious. Come here, some case you have a 2 years for help. And the jealousy. Nicole hospital is here. Dr. Nature said, Akwani is a man moja. Please, you cry, man moja miensa. And one thing of the hard really say, or so more, or money moja. Only moja or blood banco. That man only moja. The iron. If say it's me and Flap and a business of 1 year and year, I just say, how much? Now, and then it's before it's too late. You say, I've been in here in night. Okay, my bassa. You said, you won't say the iron. You say, I could be because I see a school anymore grass. Ever high. It's immediately suggest to say, car. This is Scanty. A career being can organize it students na infant to money. Na yen hwe di obi bia ne blood betumi na match na. Ebi a one of them betumi to know so be donate their money. Ni ya hwe se kan betumi aboa. Oh, it's me can say yen no do. Yen paid master me infant to me. They do too many man to say na organize students need their to money. Any disease me the to mommy yakọ e na the blood match no. Ni ya hwe no donate their money. If you say no much better.
Okay, you are right. Seeing headmaster and anything bad because when you be a penny, it's me furniture and then I think say maybe a science teacher no or say organize students no na me catch them say it be a really we be say dignity blood ma pressure sa nanka the work hospital no.
So see the doctor needs to come in fact na adding also starting to say akwa no mudie no. It's a mobile nebusian for money. And one thing is to say, the same is a chronobusian for seeing you must to say, Obian can be entered almost home. It's headmaster by who's even once a name who can. Name Mr. Jesse said, my dear, me a bonnet. My dear, say my 1 yet. It's now which I could look up in the pass 1 day. No kwakwa no bi odi kan akọbọ kwakwa no ko yi kan sembia fanhwe ne de ha akoba.
You are right. In my review you say or sleepy tank na no e to yi pa. Me dey hear them bona manye da. Is also bona manye da me ni say obeti as mi.
Me ji say headmaster club bona manye.
Okay. What can say the yin sir? This issue should be kept mute. No one should talk anything about it. You can't say headmaster ni ready. You are right though.
Almost one day. What is school day? I guess some kitty drone you come on now. No news, you had the inquest some training, quite a some one million be you.
Yeah, I'm in Pankwana, the party they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso with Maya. Me, person me come any months at your mayor. Oh, Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish.
I'm there. And you're going to call you. I'm sorry, man. Oh, I think so. Papa, I'm more to care to be this out, but you're right. You want some party and catching in front of that's what the much around the afternoon, so I had scanty bread. Oh, yeah, hard. I'm saying home person will you feel. Oh, but I hope a question is too much. I like a yaka. Baba, me didn't come up with some question. Be a bear head. What a Bana, I couldn't be so. Everybody and I too much. We have a question. Be too much. Are they? What's up, there, Sam? I'm a Ali precious. Who are now? Well, yes, I can say. Are they? I don't know one can say. Yeah, you know, I'll be catching. So I'll get me some penance mana. Are they? I'm a carcass. I'm gonna media. Me, Johnny fucking me, Johnny fucking again. Women, yes, sir. I say, women, yes, sir. How are they? Mama's mommy can cry my slow. My slow, okay. How are they? But see, yes, I'll call. You say a question on her. See a big uncle back. Think I answer uncle. Let me send you a chinko. You call any few Johnny uncle. Then I also said, throw some economy per semi call. Maybe go down. We do yam some uncle, so if you are a call. Oh, Mike, me understand on any TB or Yari, Jai Jamenders. Send on any TB or Yari, or wooden quantum near can. Until your enemy crown. Don't you news will be down. Just one down for 2 or depend on one as soon as we are. Don't you down? See a mistake on you be go soon. The sister is free and a coming baby. Maybe go Gary. What if I say mean now? Who could jam it? Who could jam it? Like, baby, massa. nkɔ baabi a ɔkyekyere me mmoa me koraa me nkɔ tiba obom na ametia no masa
again we dey nkɔ na ɔde ayɛ wa sisi ano ɔyare da hospital a yɛ nkɔ hwɛ na no
me dwene me life story ho ɛnyɛ wo girl no ho na me dwene ne ho me catch me life stories yɛ de twerɛ a story a yɛ de twerɛ movie a ɛde obetime nya 10 episode me catch no me life story no ti forget to girl ne de fa girl ne de me ka me de ho alright fam ti bom fucking hwɛ
fan sɛ wuko jame nyɛ girl de nyɛ girl nti na wokɔ memi nti na wokɔ
ada yɛ kɔ a wo de ɔkan ya na ade nti na wo di me chi ba why won kan kyerɛ nsɛm na ya wo di me chi ana ana ka kyerɛ girl ne sɛ ya wo soma me ana ade ma girl ya fa me yaro ana Adams hwɛ bibi ye kura
ipa no yare depression ne na ma wɔkeka
ya ko ka ma mi ti a se kɔtɔ apo nso se me kɔtɔ apo mbrɛ no I'm mistaken that be ye wo girl na nim bi no Adams pay yo style bi so if you na ko
don't come come at it
why why ti bomo adwena da so kura ye ja waza odi ma je eje da fi me hwe me ho sa hwe fi ki abeka nkwa asema kire me na me nkɔ hwe wo ge top pampers nyina me